Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the file type or file extension in your Windows 10 computer. Now as you can see here, I have an image file here and I want to change the file type or the file extension, but the file extension is not showing. Now for that, all you need to do is go to your file explorer. Now from the top, click on view. Now check this box that says file name extensions. And now if we go back to our desktop, you can see that the file extension is now showing. Now to change it, all I need to do is just double click on it to rename it. And then I'll just rename it to, let's say, PNG. And if you see a warning like this, you can just click on yes. And as you can see, we have just changed the file extension. And if we open it, you can see that it is working fine. And that is how you can change the file extension or file type in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.